Hello students, today we start a new chapter, particle physics. Okay, this one is the last chapter, particle physics. See, in particle physics we introduce a fundamental or the elementary particles. Then what are the fundamental particles or the elementary particles? See, the fundamental particles which are used to explain the properties of their composites, how it is made up of. Okay, see, we may define as the fundamental particle as the building block of the matter. Building block of matter. The elementary particles or the fundamental particles are defined as the building block of the matter. Okay. However, the fundamental particles at one time may be proved as the composites later on. Okay. As our knowledge is limited by the existing theories, initially atom is regarded as the building block of the matter. See, what are the fundamental particles? The fundamental particles are the building block of the matter. Okay, they are composites. Initially, according to the existing theories, see, what is the fundamental building block of the matter? Atom. Atom is considered as the fundamental building block of the matter. Okay, but when there is an explanation of the emission of electromagnetic radiation by atom, it was shown that the atoms are composites of the electron and the nucleus. Okay, later on, in the emission of electromagnetic radiation by the atoms, it was shown that the atoms are composites of the electrons and nucleus. Atoms are made up of electrons and nucleus. Okay. Then the nucleus itself, we know the properties of nucleus. The nucleus is made up of protons and neutrons. Okay, see, then the nucleus itself was shown as a composite of protons and neutrons. Okay, according to the existing theories of protons and neutrons, these are also a composites of the quarks. These are also a composites of a quarks. See, according to the existing theories, initially atom is considered as a building block of the matter. Okay, then when the emission of electromagnetic radiation by atoms explained, there is shown as the atom are composites of a electrons and nucleus. Okay, then nucleus is made up of a protons and neutrons and electrons and neutrons are made up of a quarks. Okay, this is the regarding the fundamental particles or the elementary particles. However, the quarks themselves have not been detected experimentally. Okay, see, then according to the presently accepted theories, the constituent fundamental particles of matter are called elementary particles. See, according to the presently accepted theories, the constituent fundamental particles of the matter are called the elementary particles. Then elementary particles are classified as 3 generations of leptons and 3 generations of quarks along with the field particles known as the Gauss bosons. See, there is a classifications of the elementary particles. Okay, see, what are the elementary particles? According to the presently accepted theories, the constituent fundamental particle of the matter are called the elementary particles, and elementary particles are classified into 3 generations of leptons, 3 generations of leptons and 3 generations of quarks and 3 generations of quarks. Okay, along with the field particles which are known as Gauss bosons. See, according to the presently accepted theories, the constituent fundamental particles of the matter are called elementary particles, and these elementary particles are classified as the 3 generations of leptons and the 3 generations of quarks, along with the field particles which are known as the Gauss bosons. Okay, this one is the important regarding your examination. The elementary particles interact with each other through a exchange of certain bosons, that is the interacting forces are basically exchange type of forces where the bosons are exchanged between the interacting particles. See, the elementary particles interact with each other. Elementary particles interact with each other through exchange of certain bosons. There is a exchange of bosons takes place in the interactions of the elementary particles. That is, the interaction forces are basically exchange type of forces which exchange the forces where the bosons are exchanged between the interacting particles. There are 4 fundamental interactions. See, there are 4 fundamental type of interactions between the elementary particles which forms by a exchange of forces. Okay, what are the fundamental interactions? There are 4 fundamental interaction. First is the gravitational interaction. Gravitational interaction. Second is the weak interactions. Third one is the electromagnetic interactions. Electromagnetic interactions. And fourth one is the strong interactions. Strong interaction. Okay, these are the 4 interactions between the elementary particles. Okay, see, there are 4 fundamental interactions: gravitational, weak, electromagnetic and strong, which arises due to the exchange of gravitons in gravitational interactions and the weak bosons in weak interactions, photons in electromagnetic interactions and the gluons in strong interactions. Okay, see, in gravitational interactions there is a exchange of gravitons. In weak interactions there is a exchange of weak bosons, and in electromagnetic radiation there is a exchange of photons, and in strong interaction there is a exchange of gluons. We may see in detail in next point. Okay, I hope you all get it, the introduction about the particle physics. Okay, the next part is in next class. Thank you.